The state of the glass M&A market right now is currently strong, and it usually always is. There are a lot of nuances whenever it comes to glass manufacturing and fabrication. You're going to have buyers that are looking for a company that maybe just serves commercial markets or just serves residential markets or even just serves the decorative markets. But really narrowing it down and finding which buyer is specific to what your business is really going to save you time and a lot of headaches. So you want to find an M&A advisor like REAG who knows this space, has been in there talking to buyers, talking to sellers, and really understanding the market and what people are going to be looking for. For example, I know a company is going to be looking at longevity of your customers. They're going to be looking at who the end market is, who the end user are. Are you selling to them? They're going to want to understand the cyclicality of the business. You need an investment bank like REAG who has experience in the space and can navigate the nuances of the glass industry.